If you combine two sounds, for instance, the k sound as well as the h sound, you will get a completely new sound, the ch sound. Or you can also call it the ch-phonic. The combination of two different letters, which each makes its unique sound, put together to make a completely new sound, like when you put the k for Clint together with the h for Haley horse. It will give you the phonic ch, which is a completely new sound to form new words. Whenever I experience any new thing, or when I learn new things, I put it away in little gift bags or gift boxes in my brain. I put it away so that I can open it one by one to remember that new experience that has been so special to me, or the new information that I've learned. I open the box to access all the information that I've learned a while ago. For example, the letters of the alphabet. That way, I can use that information to do new things. So I can use the letters of the alphabet, write them down on their own, or build combinations that can build words. I can even write them down and eventually read them off by heart. Inside this blue gift box is stored away a couple of words starting with the ch sound, or the ch-phonic. That is the combination of the k and the h. Read the words with me and repeat them afterwards. Chin, chips, check, chair, chill, which word was your favorite word when we opened the box? Let me tell you about mine. Definitely the word chill, because I love it to chill during the holidays. Let's read some more words. Ready? Chew, cheer, chat, chop, cheek, let's read the words a little bit faster this time. Chin, chips, check, chair, chill, my favorite word. Chew, cheer, chat, chop, cheek. By putting a couple of words in the correct sequence, we will form a sentence. But a sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let's read the words and then the sentences. Chin, I scratch my chin. Chips. He orders a burger and chips. Check. You must check your spelling. Chair. This is a big red chair. Chill. We can chill on Saturday. Chew. Chew with your mouth closed. Cheer. They cheer very loud. Chat. You must not chat in class. Chop. They chop the dry wood. Cheek. Turn your other cheek. Now it is time to have some fun. You can either make your own resources or you can print them using the link that I put below in the description of this video. The more you exercise reading, the better you will get at it. And why not have fun while learning your words and sentences? Write down or print your end of the word letters on cards and place them on top of each other. Then you can put the ch-phonic on a card in front. You can staple all the end of the letter cards together and paste it at the back, the last paper. Glue it on a sturdy hardboard. Now you can read one word at a time. Turn the page and place the ch-phonic on the other side of the end of the word. Read your word. Chop, cheek, chips, chill, cheer, chew, check. Let me explain how you can read your sentences. Take a very sturdy cardboard and paste an envelope like this. You can print it using the link below. Put glue on the back side and paste it. Remember to keep the top side open so that you can use it just like an envelope. Now it's time to read your sentences and put it inside your envelope, ready to be used again. Have fun reading your sentences. Practice your letters, your sounds, as well as your words, so that you can read them in sentences and later on longer stories.